In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue of not being able to download files from Google Drive while using the Opera browser. This can be quite frustrating, but don't worry, we'll get through it together. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's get started. First things first, you'll want to launch the Opera browser on your device. Go ahead and find that Opera icon, usually located in your applications or on your desktop, and double-click to open it up. Once it's loaded, we're going to make a few adjustments to the settings to ensure that downloading from Google Drive works smoothly. Next, you'll see the Opera icon, which looks like a red O in the top left corner of the screen. Click on that icon to open the browser menu. A drop-down list will appear, providing you with several options. From this list, you want to select Settings. This action will open up the Configuration tab, where we can change some important settings. Now that we're in the Settings section, take a look at the left sidebar. Here, you'll see a variety of options, but for right now, we're focusing on privacy and security. Click on that option. This will lead you to the settings that control how your browser interacts with websites in terms of privacy. Once you're in the Privacy and Security section, look for the option that says Cookies and Site Data. Click on that to dive a little deeper into how your browser handles cookies. Cookies are small files that websites use to store information, and they can play a significant role in enabling downloads. Here's where it gets crucial for fixing the download issue. In the Cookies and Site Data section, you have the option to adjust your cookie permissions. For optimal functionality, it's generally a good idea to select Allow All Cookies. This setting ensures that websites, including Google Drive, can save the necessary files that allow downloads without any hiccups. Now, if you're someone who prefers a stricter level of privacy, there's an alternative route. Just make sure that the option to block third-party cookies is turned off. Sometimes blocking third-party cookies can interfere with the downloading process, especially on sites like Google Drive, and we definitely don't want that. Once you've made your adjustments, close the Settings tab and return to Google Drive. Try downloading a file again to see if the issue has been resolved. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through the settings in Opera, adjusted your cookie permissions, and hopefully, you're now able to download files from Google Drive without any trouble. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing and giving it a thumbs up. It really helps me create more content like this. If you have any comments or further questions, feel free to leave them below, and I'll be sure to get back to you. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing.